Big story, a blow to the Mamata Banerjee government in Bengal. The Supreme Court has upheld a High Court order clearing the deployment of central forces ahead of panchayat elections in Bengal. And this comes at a time when fresh violence has been reported ahead of elections. Our Bengal Bureau with this important report.
Amid massive bloodshed and spate of political murders in panchayat poll-bound West Bengal, a massive Supreme Court blow for the Mamata government. Supreme Court on Tuesday upheld Calcutta High Court's order deploying central forces on poll duty for violence hit Bengal. Pulling up the Mamata government and state poll body which opposed central forces, the top court said polls cannot be licensed for violence. The Supreme Court also pointed to history of deadly violence during polls in Bengal.
The BJP and Congress seem to have come together before the Supreme Court to say that central forces must be deployed in the state to prevent ongoing violence. The state of West Bengal, the TMC government and the State Election Commission had approached the Supreme Court against the Calcutta High Court verdict which had directed deployment of central forces across the state.
The TMC tried to brazen it out despite the rap from the top court.
We are disappointed with the Supreme Court verdict, but it really wouldn't matter. We have had panchayat elections with central forces in 2013. We won. Central forces do not understand the language of the state. They create confusion, they are confused themselves.
The Supreme Court verdict triggered massive political attacks on Mamata government, with the BJP gunning for Mamata.
এটা কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের এমএইচের অর্ডারে হচ্ছে না, রাজ্য সরকারের রিকুইজিশনে হচ্ছে না, হাইকোর্টের অর্ডারে হচ্ছে এবং সুপ্রিম কোর্ট আপনাকে ক্লিয়ারেন্স দিয়েছে, তাই সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সেরও রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অনেক বেড়ে গেল, আমরা সেটা করাবো।
Congress too slammed Mamata government.
কলকাতা হাইকোর্ট বলেছিল বিনা পয়সায় কেন্দ্রীয় বাহিনী আসবে, আপনাদের পয়সা খরচ করতে হবে না, তাতেও আপত্তি ছিল রাজ্য সরকারের।
Ironically, the Supreme Court verdict came hours after fresh pre-poll violence rocked Bengal's Malda, after TMC and independent candidates clashed, leaving several people critically injured. Can central forces ensure a level playing field in blood-sail Bengal politics?
Question still remains that will the deployment of central forces during the polling process ensure that less violence, or rather no violence, takes place on the 8th of July, that is the day of polling for panchayat, will be able to answer whether the central forces are the answer to a very peaceful poll. With camera person Shamsundar Ghosh, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.